Costco's. I'm going to open this package up real quick here. Put these in the bowl. I need my tweezers. Give these a little mix here. Make sure they're separated a little bit. A little bit of canola oil on it. Spray there. We'll stir. Spray oil here is what gets them to brown up. Put a little bit more of that on there, and they're good to go. That's what we're going to do. Is we're going to use some of this Gilbert Gottfried baking powder. Pour a little bit of that on. Like that. Give it a little. We're making this for the air fryer. In the air fryer, by the way. A little bit. You don't want to see any more of that white powder on there. You just keep moving them around a little bit till they're done. Get a nice coating on them. A little bit more there. Mixing them. Coating. I want to put a little bit of, so now I just put a little bit of Goya on them. This is all-purpose seasoning, just to give it a little bit more flavor, because these ones we're not going to use any type of barbecue sauce or anything on. We're just going to use this regular powdered seasoning. I'm going to take these over here. I just got done. If you want to come over on this side, you can see better. This is a batch of honey mustard ones I just did. And I'm going to take those out now because these are done. So they get a nice crisp. Is it crispy? So I'm going to put those on this plate here. Clean one of these because you don't want to use this one, which was just on raw chicken. Bring these back here. I'm going to get these in here. Put them on a single layer in here. That's what you want to do. Set the temperature. And turn it on. Hit air crisp. Drop the temperature down to 325. And then go 10 minutes on 325, and then we're going to bump the temperature up and cook it for about 3 or 4 more minutes on a higher temperature to crisp them. Okay, now that we've done their 10 minutes on a lower temperature, that's what they'll look like in there. So then you want to flip them all over. It's good with just some regular red hot sauce on them too. I mean, this is a point where you would want to put some barbecue sauce or something on them, but we're just going to keep them like this time. Okay, so they're a little brown, but we want to brown them up a little bit more than that. So we're going to go ahead and close this, and then we're going to go air crisp. And we're going to bump it to 350, and we're going to go for just about 2 minutes here. Bam. Okay, let's see what they look like. Look at that, a perfectly cooked chicken wing. And we're gonna take them out, put them on this. Shut the power off to that. Plenty of wings. Alrighty. We'll let that cool in a little washing. So here's the wings. Click on the left side of the screen for the most recommended. Click in the middle to subscribe, and click on the right side for random videos.